everybody, my name is Ariel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. So I'm gonna do a quick voiceover because I know I haven't posted a video in a while and I just wanted to talk through this, get back into the swing of things. So here for this Get Ready With Me, the first thing I'm going to use is this primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I got the travel size and it's so convenient and it just creates such a smooth canvas. So that's what I started out with first, and then I'm using this contour stick from Wet n Wild. It's been my go-to lately. It's so easy to blend out, and I've actually been liking to do it before my foundation, before anything, because I just feel like it looks so well when everything is done and put together after your foundation. So I start with this first. I'm blending it all out with a Real Technique sponge. Whoa, hard to say. And then I'm going to go right in with this concealer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's their Camo Concealer. I had purchased two shades and I believe this one is my best match. It's the light beige shade and it is very pigmented. Super. So you don't need to put as much, just a little bit and blend it all away. It's quick drying, so I would definitely suggest you start out with one eye first. I definitely learned this from the first time I used it. So I am patting it all in with this sponge, blending it all out, making sure, everything is good to go and smooth. So I'm using that sponge to do that, and then I'm going to apply my foundation. This is the MegaCushion foundation. It has a 15 SPF, and it smells so good. It's infused with coconut and stuff like that, but I love using this foundation. It creates that very natural, healthy within look, so that's why I absolutely love it. It's a medium and buildable coverage, not super full, but it's definitely buildable, and I just love how it applies and how it makes my skin look afterwards. I do set my face in the center, so what I've been using lately is the Milani Cosmetics Prep Set and Glow powder. I dip my huge BH Cosmetics brush in there and I just tap it into my face, into the center of my face. Lately my skin has been a little on the drier side. I have combination skin, so it definitely does that around the winter time. And then I'm going in with some blush. This is just my go-to when I don't know what blush color to use, the 10 color blush palette from BH Cosmetics. And then I'm going to use this CYO Cosmetics bronzer contour, Girls on Contour kit. That's what it's called. It's exclusive to Walgreens, so if you ever see CYO Cosmetics, I've been loving this kit for contouring. So I like to clean up just under my contour a little bit. I don't put excess foundation. I just clean it up with the sponge so that it doesn't drag down to my chin. We don't want that. And then I'm using this Essence Makeup highlighter. It's such an awesome palette and it's so cheap. I think it's $5. And yeah, I wet my sponge and I loved the glow it gave me. I'm obsessed with a Cupid's bow highlight as well as my nose highlight. I always go in with the brush first and then I tap on the tip of my nose for a more intense highlight, but of course do it to your liking. I've been loving the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. I bought the Rose Gold Desi Perkins kit. It's so awesome. I haven't talked about it enough. I have been using it, but I absolutely love what it does to my brows. So for today's eye look, I am using the Rimmel London Magnif'eyes Crimson Edition palette. It's very similar to the cherry naked palette from Urban Decay, but it's not the same. I wouldn't say it's an exact dupe because it's not, but it's very similar. So yeah, for a fraction of the price, I would definitely recommend it if you were looking for a palette along that color story. So this is all, I kind of just show you as I go. I'm packing on color, blending it all out. I didn't know what type of look I was going for, but I wanted to use this Tarte metallic shadow that I've had for far too long and I needed to use. And I loved how the color combination, mixed well together. It's kind of like a reddish, cherry, pinky gold look. I'm not sure what I want to call it yet, but yeah, It's all in the game of blending, so I just pack on the color and I blend it out with another clean brush, as you see that I'm doing over and over again until I achieve that color that I want. I am using finally the metallic shadow in Hussy. It's currently, as I speak, on sale for 10 bucks. So if you're looking for it, I have all the links in my blog listed out. I'm putting that in the inner half of my lid and then blending everything as I go, going over what I might have over blended and deepening it out, packing on the color and blending it out with a cleaner brush. So, following this, I am just applying some inner corner highlights. I'm using that first shade from the palette, and I just loved how it tied it all in together. Then I'm using a black eyeliner. It doesn't have to be this one. This is from Tarte Cosmetics, the Double Duty Beauty Eyeliner. It has a felt tip on the opposite side, so it's super useful. I think I wanted to do a wing liner, and I just ran out of time, so sorry about that. I know I don't do wing liner as often, and I'm blending out that lower lash line with the colors that I used in the crease. For mascara, I'm using this Maneater mascara from Tarte Cosmetics, and it's really good. I actually decided not to put on falsies after I put this mascara on because I just liked how it looked, and I was honestly going to wear this for the rest of the day anyway, so that's that. And this is my current favorite lip liner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's their Shape and Define, super inexpensive pencil. Then the Wet n Wild Melon It Like It Is cushion lip, like matte lip cream. And then this is the Ultra Blotted lip from Colourpop Cosmetics. The name I'll leave it in the description box below. I don't know it off the top of my head. But yeah, this is it for this look. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I will talk to you in my next video. I love ya. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace